Hello golden souls. Welcome to Number Gold. Today we're going to talk about angel number 858. Number 858 is a combination of the vibrations of the numbers 8 and 5, with the number 8 appearing twice to magnify and amplify its energies. Practicality, personal power and authority, dependability and self-reliance, manifesting positive abundance, discernment and decisiveness, a desire for peace and a love of humanity, world transformation, giving and receiving, and the universal spiritual law of cause and effect, karma, are all associated with the number 8. Spontaneity, opportunities, life changes, making positive choices, personal freedom and individuality, resourcefulness, vitality, cleverness and intelligence, adaptability and versatility, and life lessons learned through experience are all associated with the number 5. Angel number 858 encourages you to invest in yourself and your unique strengths, talents, and abilities. Discover and use the vast skills that lie within you to your best advantage. Rely on your intuitive wisdom to guide your choices and decisions on a daily basis, and trust yourself to know what is best for you. Angel number 858 indicates that positive changes are occurring in your career and/or profession, income-earning abilities, and financial aspects of your life. Believe that these changes will result in wonderful outcomes and results that will ensure a steady flow of material abundance in your life. Angel number 858 indicates that you are on the verge of significant, positive changes in your life on multiple levels. As you go through these necessary life changes, rely on your faith and trust, step into your own power, and do what you know you must. Remember that you have the power to manifest and attract the life you want. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you for watching.